Okay, so yesterday I was your MC on accident. A member of our staff had a pretty serious family emergency yesterday, and he was planning on being the MC yesterday. And we were all like praying for him, and things turned out great. His son is fine, and he is back. So today, the MC will be the Vice President of Developer Services, Sean O'Gwen.
Thanks, Kristen. Many of you know I've had a hell of a couple of days, and when I woke up this morning, I was completely fried. That took me 5 minutes to come up with that one. But nothing gets me out of a funk like this faster than giving away stuff, especially stuff that Steve Foley buys. I am wearing the fabulous bacon suit, if you couldn't tell. But if I can't give away something that Foley buys, the next best thing is to give away something that's bacony delicious. So we have here some more fantastic J&D bacony food stuff for you. And we're going to give it away to the person. Well, let me ask this question. Let me back up a little bit. Who has written a Kinetics app? Who's written a Kinetics app in the last 30 days? Who's written a Kinetics app in the last 2 weeks? Yeah. How about a Kinetics app in the last this week? How about a Kinetics app since yesterday? Chris, come on down here and get your app. Your prize. And I'm going to take this suit off or I will not be able to respect myself in the morning. I already walked out of the closet for you, so...